This is our first time trying In-N-Out. So I ordered a double combo, animal style. Let's give it a try. I need a second opinion. Yeah. That's a decent burger. I'd probably keep that. Say like a 8.5 out of 10. I got the regular double. They put napkins on top of our burger, so I got some paper on my burger, but you know what adds to the flavor, right? One more bite. Honestly, a pretty good fast food burger, I'm not gonna lie to you. So I would give it like 7.8 out of 10. That's solid. Now I also ordered my fries, animal style. Let's give them a try. This is gonna be messy. One block. Bon appetit. He's got a big mouth. Wow. So it's pretty good. It's decent, it's nothing too crazy. Onions give it a good flavor. I like it. The fry itself is kind of like not even so much a McDonald's fry, but just like a flimsy sort of texture. So a little lacking there, but I'd give the fries like a good 6.7 out of 10. Now I'm gonna wash it down with a strawberry milkshake. Oh wow. I know it's kind of a given, but it tastes exactly like strawberry milk. I give this a good 8.5 out of 10 as well. Let me know down in the comments if you guys have ever tried In-N-Out and what you think of it. Feel free to let me know what I should try next. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.